Here I have INFINIX Smart 7, and today I'm going to show you how to enable power saving mode on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open settings, then you should go to the power marathon section, and here you can enable power boost, which is basically like a power saving mode. Like it enables dark theme, adaptive brightness, disable vibration, disable action and gesture, optimize volume, disable wake screen for notifications. So yeah, and that's how you can switch this mode. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.